Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pratishtha and here I am with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about some of vacancies that is based in South India, because many of you are from South India and you people continuously ask me about such vacancies so that you can also get job in your local area. So let's get started. So the first vacancy I am going to talk about is from Defense Service Staff College, and there are vacancies for Steno, Hindi and English both, clerk and MTS. Clerk means LDC clerk and MTS too. There is no application fees, so you can easily fill this form, but you have to fill this form offline. So basically you have to what you have to do is go on their website, download the form, fill the form and speed post it. The website link you'll get in the description box, so you can go and check there. Second thing, the last date is 22nd of May, so there is not much time. Go hurry up. And the job location is of course in Tamil Nadu, so very nice. If I talk about examination or exam pattern or syllabus, they'll ask you questions from reasoning, maths, English and GA. So go prepare yourself and get the job. The second vacancy is from a district court. The city name is Pudukottai. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but the city name is this, Pudukottai in Tamil Nadu. Fees is 500 rupees and job location of course in Tamil Nadu, Pudukottai. Post name is office assistant and the last date of this application is 6th of June, so you have enough time to fill this form. Next vacancy is from Telangana TSPSC, Telangana State PSC. Post name is senior assistant and junior assistant. There are 127 seats. That is really a good number of seats. Last date of this application is 5th of May, so hurry up, there is not much time. 5th of May, and you can fill this form online, so there is no problem. And the application fees is 200 rupees, so mind it. And if you have completed your graduation and you have any diploma in computers, so you can go for this post. The last post I have included from Maharashtra also. So the last post name is Gramin Dak Sevak, that is in Maharashtra Postal Circle. Okay, so the last date of this application is 26th of May, and you can fill this form online. Post, there are so many posts, like there are 128 posts, so you should surely fill this form and get your job. So yes, these are some of the vacancies that you can go for. And yes, people from South India don't really understand Hindi much, and I make my videos in Hindi, so they don't get the basic information that I talk about in my videos. So there are two very important things that I want to talk about. So the first thing is for any latest government job notification or result or admit card, anything, if you want to check on regular basis, you can go through this website that is called sarkariresult.com, because I know many of you don't know about the websites where you can check these things on regular basis. Here you will get all the notifications about latest government job, mainstream government jobs. The second important thing is, if you are preparing for any government exam, whether it be SSC CGL, CHSL, SSC stenographer or any stenographer, state PCS, UPSC, anything if you are preparing for, with your preparation there is also need of checking your preparation time to time by attempting test series, so that your preparation is always in the right direction. So most of you also ask me about test series, what test series you can go for. So you can go for this test series called Test Book. So there are of course so many other test series also available online, but the best part of this test series is this is very affordable and totally made for a student. And yes, for this month there are some great offers and great deals are going on for this pass. You'll get the pass for 12 plus 2 months, 14 months, more than 1 year in just 299 rupees. And don't forget that you only have to buy this pass for once and you will get test for almost all the exams. It can be a good investment. 300 rupees is nothing when you are getting so much. Or that if you use this code STENO10, you'll get extra 30 rupees off. So you'll get the link in the description. Go and check. So okay guys, this is it for today, and until we meet, namaskar.